Hi there, today we are touring a cozy A-frame cabin. It's made by manufacturer Magic House to be a cozy fairy tale to get away in any natural scenario, like wood, beach, mountain, pasture, etc. The width, the length, and the height are same in 6 meters. It's small but set up with comfortable kitchen, bathroom unit, and a foldable stair to the roomy loft bedroom. When you get in, the wood wall, the high ceiling, and the angled wall feel comforting and cozy. It really forces you to slow down and simplify, which is exactly most people want nowadays. So let's go and check it out.
Stuck in the reality. Got you never really felt the same. It's more like you were using me. I get chills when you leave my body. When you leave my body. I get chills when you're not inside me.
The house is made by manufacturer Magic House. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. If you want to customize one, I put the sales contact information and the shop link in the description box below. Or you can join our weekly live session to know us better. Thanks for watching.